Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to create a Facebook passkey for an easier and secure sign-in. If you're using Facebook and you want to create a Facebook passkey for an easier and secure sign-in, so let's see how can you do that. First of all, you just have to open your Facebook app, and here just tap on three horizontal lines at the menu option in the top right corner. Then go for settings and privacy, then tap on settings, then tap on account center, and from here just go for password and security option and then select passkey, and from here just select create passkey, and here you just have to create a passkey. Just tap on create passkey option, and here just wait for until it's being loading, and after that you just have to verify with your fingerprint and your passkey will be created. After creating your passkey, whenever you will log into your account, so you must have to enter your passkey such as fingerprint, your lock screen pattern or pin, and you will be logged into your Facebook account. So that's how you can easily create a Facebook passkey for an easier and secure sign in. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.